The Indian Army's weapon of choice, the INSAS rifle has been the standard of the Indian Armed Forces for decades. The INSAS rifle is today used in all branches of the Indian military and paramilitary forces. It was even exported to Nepal, Bhutan, Oman and Swaziland. So why did India dump this indigenously made weapon? Before we can answer this question, we need to understand a bit of history of this rifle. Since the late 1950s, the Indian Armed Forces has been equipped with a locally produced licensed copy of the L1A1 self-loading rifles or the SLR. The SLR was heavy and outdated. In the mid-1980s, the decision was taken to indigenously develop a 5.56mm caliber rifle to replace the SLRs. This task was to be carried out by the Armament Research and Development Establishment or the ARDE in Pune. On the completion of research and trial, the Indian Small Arms System, or in short the INSAS, was finally born in the 1990s. The INSAS is primarily based on the AKM or the AK-47 rifle of Russia, but incorporate features from other rifles. INSAS is a gas-operated and has 6-screw rifling like the AK-47. The transparent plastic magazine was adapted from the Steyr AUG of the Australian rifle, and the butt is similar to that of the IMI Galil rifle of Israel. The INSAS can fire 3-round burst in a semi-automatic mode. The INSAS has 3 versions: a rifle, a carbine and the light machine gun. The standard rifle has a range of 400 meters and the LMG or the light machine gun has a range of 700 meters. In 1997, the rifle and the LMG went into mass production. It was manufactured by the Ordnance Factory Board at the Ordnance Factory Tiruchirappalli, the Small Arms Factory in Kanpur, and the Ishapur Rifle Factory. The INSAS was first used in the Kargil War in 1998. This war was fought in the high altitudes of the Himalayas. Here, the inherent weakness of the rifle became clear. First, jamming. The rifle was getting jammed after a period of use. This put the lives of our soldiers at rest. Second, because of the cold weather, the polymer magazine was getting cracked. Third, there was a problem of oil being sprayed into the eye of the operator. 4. The rifle sometimes went automatic on its own, thereby emptying the magazine. Similar complaints were also received from the Nepalese army. In August 2005, after 43 soldiers were killed in a clash with the Maoists, a Nepalese army spokesman called the rifle substandard and the counterinsurgency operations would have been more efficient with better weapons. These issues were later fixed and a modified version called Excalibur was invented. This rifle went through various tests like firing the rifle after submerging it in water and mud for half an hour, user reliability trials, and checking the number of stoppages after firing 24,000 rounds. The Excalibur seemed to have passed all the tests with flying colors. However, in June 2017, the Indian government announced that Excalibur failed the test due to concerns about quality control and ineffective firepower. In December 2019, the Indian Army signed an import order to procure 72,400 SIG 716 assault rifles from an American company, Sig Sauer, and also to jointly manufacture 650,000 AK-203 rifles with Russia at an ordnance factory in Amethi. This import order formally ended the career of our indigenously made INSAS rifle. But wait a minute, what happened to Atmanirbhar of our Prime Minister? Why can't we design our own rifle? Well, this is a topic of another video. Thanks for watching.